Discovering prey under a tree, the bird swooped down, relentlessly attacking the snake, leaving it unable to counterattack. The snake eventually slithered away to escape, but the bird clung to its meal. Looking closer, the snake had lost its eyes, blood staining its face. The bird repeatedly pecked at the snake's body, while the snake, in a weakened state, could only open its mouth wide in defense. Helpless, the snake couldn't do much as the bird grabbed a sizable piece of its intestines and flew away. The snake remained immobile, its head stuck in the mud hole. In this video, a falcon efficiently catches a duck in midair and delivers it for a dog to snatch up, showcasing impressive teamwork. Falcons are known for their acrobatic hunting techniques, crashing into prey like ducks. They strike with precision to minimize ground struggles. In this example near Calgary, Alberta, a falcon catches a wild mallard, ripping off its head to access the neck meat and fresh blood for consumption. Skuas are violent, predatory seabirds known for feasting on other birds, including penguins. In this video, skuas are seen grabbing a penguin chick and engaging in a tug-of-war over the meal. They can be bold and fearless, even snatching penguin chicks from under their parents. This clip showcases the aggressive nature of skuas as they relentlessly attack penguin chicks with their sharp beaks. The Harris eagle, in contrast to solitary eagles, hunts cooperatively and efficiently pursues swift jackrabbits. Jackrabbits are renowned for their speed and agility, but the Harris eagle employs teamwork to trap and capture them. One eagle startles the rabbit while others strategically position themselves to block its escape. This coordinated approach often results in the rabbit running into another eagle's talons, enabling the group to share the catch. Owls are stealthy nocturnal hunters with excellent night vision and hearing. They usually occupy tree hollows or usurp other birds' nests. The clash between the red-tailed hawk and the owl was intense, possibly due to territorial disputes. The southern hornbill, a unique African bird, is the world's largest co-parenting species. Standing at approximately 1 meter tall, these birds are characterized by their curved beaks and vibrant red facial skin. They forage across grasslands in search of lizards, snakes, small mammals, and other birds. Nearby, a cautious leopard maneuvered through slender branches around the bird's nest. Despite the parent's efforts to deter it, the leopard managed to enter the nest, where it posed a threat to the young birds. Despite the parent's protective actions, they couldn't prevent the leopard from devouring. They nest in tree holes lined with animal hair, and often perch on large mammals like cows. They parasitically feed on blood, and may directly consume it by pecking at wounds. A Canada goose is mid-air attacked by a falcon, which startles and confuses the goose. The falcon lands with its prey, continues the hunt, and pounces on the larger goose. Eventually, it kills the goose despite its attempts to fight back and almost escape. Buzzards are birds of prey, and sometimes feast on larger animals like rabbits. In one clip, a buzzard stands on top of a rabbit, using its hooked beak to tear away at the rabbit's flesh. In another clip, a buzzard swoops down from the sky to attack a rabbit, grabbing it with its talons and dragging it away. These birds can be quite brutal in their hunting and consumption of their prey. In the middle of a neighborhood, a sparrow hawk attacks a jackdaw. However, the sparrow hawk is mobbed by a couple of crows, which disturb the hawk and allow the jackdaw to escape. Cruel crows relentlessly attack defenseless baby rabbits, leaving the mother helpless to protect her offspring. A man working at his desk noticed a hawk perched on top of a cat outside his window. He quickly grabbed his phone to capture the rare encounter. The hawk had complete control over the cat and eventually flew away with it after weakening it. The kitten had no chance to escape the hawk's powerful grip, and it sadly met its demise. This hawk kills a magpie while fending off 5 other magpies trying to assist their friend. Despite the magpie's attempts to help, the hawk remains tenacious and fights them off.